need you now. Yeah, I find who I gave you what you needed. I know what you like.
Yeah, that's right.
I feel it coming. Time is of the essence. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live for as long. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know it's true. I was always holding you down. You down. Just keep adding up. Then we just keep adding fun. We was living fast.
Immediately I stepped in, I saw her, and I'm like, I know her, like I follow her. I have to say hi.
And I was like, wait, she's like, oh, I followed you on Instagram recently.
Yeah.
So at least I have a partner for this class.
Yeah.
Bye. I already know. Guys, it is steaming in here. It's hot. I'm definitely going to be sweating this makeup off.
Come down with a flat back. Drop your hands come to shins as you come to the flat.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell.
I'm so hot. Guys, I'm so hot. I came out to collect fresh air because what the fuck? I'm gonna stay here for a bit. Yeah, I'm like, I need a break.
They got cold towels.
Oh, cool towels, guys. This is gonna feel amazing. Yeah.
You guys are going to do a meditation and then I got so much time in a lot of this.
Okay.
Full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the tea. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like it over. She gets down just like it over. Run the blood, she's not coming strong. So that dish bag, watch her blow back. It's the way.
I'm now leaving, guys. I was able to get a lot of editing done and it's almost 10 p.m. Very, very proud and very productive. I would have been at home not doing anything, so I'm glad I stayed to edit. It's been a long freaking day. I am so tired. I think this is where they want me to stand. I'm also hungry. I'm a little hungry. I haven't really had much to eat all day. I haven't eaten. I only had the smoothie that they gave us after the workout and nothing else. So I'm kind of hungry. But now that it's 10, I don't know if I should eat because I'm trying not to eat after 6. If I get home and I'm still feeling hungry, I think I'm probably just gonna have some eggs and then call it a night. I'm tired. My back is aching. I don't even know why. This is a supermarket. Should I get some? I don't think I should. I was gonna go grab something from there, but I don't think I should. Okay guys, let me call my Uber. I'll see you when we get home. Okay? I left the lights on. Okay, let's just put this. I ordered food. I ordered tacos because I'm hungry. It should be here in a few minutes because I'm starving. But we are home. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, okay? Good night. Sleep tight. Bye. So I'm actually apartment hunting right now, and I just came to the first place. Obviously I'm gonna do a video and show you all the places that I've seen, but that's what I'm doing today. This is the first place. I'll probably insert a little clip of the space, but there will be a separate video on the apartments, like my apartment hunting video. Hopefully I find a place soon because I didn't mention that I was moving, but yes, we're moving again. Let's go look at the other ones. This one is okay. I don't really love it. It's new, it looks really clean, but it's kind of small, so let's go to the next one.
She in her mood, like damn, she in her mood, like damn, she in her mood, like damn, she in her mood, she lit, get money too, like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bombs.
The terrace is so nice, guys. It's much better than where I am right now. It's so good. It's cute. It's cute. Tempted.
Don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend.
We have gone to see 2 places now. I think we have about 2 more to see. I'm not sure. But we're walking to the car to drive to the 3rd location. So far, I don't know how I feel. The second one that we saw was really nice. It just doesn't come with parking, but it does have a locker, and the view is pretty good. It's a very busy area as well. There are a lot of things around, so I kind of like the area. Definitely considering the second one. I feel like the first one's amenities looks really good. This one is not that great, but the space is definitely bigger. We're gonna go see the 3rd one. We've already been to that building before, the 3rd one. If you watched my apartment hunting video, I really wanted this apartment. It was really nice, it was newly renovated, but it was an older building, but I didn't get it. So we're going to that same building, but a different apartment. What I like about that place is the apartments are bigger, like much spacious. The 4th place is just close by. This is the building I was talking about. This one. As you can see, it's an older building. It doesn't have like a modern finish or anything like that. Hopefully it looks as good as the other one that I wanted, but I doubt it because I know this one is not renovated, so it's not looking promising. It has the same layout as the one that I wanted 2 years ago, and I think I'm gonna take this one. The price is not bad, but I don't think this one is for me. Like this. Not working for me. I don't like the cabinets as well. I don't like the floor. Pause. Thank you. I like this building. So pretty. Fits my aesthetics.
Big carbon here like Mayweather. Tula come through and blow a hoe. Got millions out that rap shit. They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming.
The room is kind of small. So office, makeup, maybe. There's a closet, so I can keep my equipment in there. But I don't know if I'm doing this place, so Let me know if you've been making plans for it. That is the living area. It's so small. I don't know how I'm gonna do my couch. But then this space is so big. Like it's good for an island and everything. But I feel like it's just a waste of space. What at all am I going to be putting in here? I'm not feeling this one at all. It's pretty small. I don't even know how I'm gonna do the living area. Like the setup is so weird. It's a no for this one too. On to the next one. I need space, guys. That's my biggest problem. Space, because I have too much. I don't know, I'm so tired already. We're gonna get some chat time and probably food because I'm hungry. And then we're gonna continue. We're not done. I think we have 2 more places to see. I like the building though. I was trying to see if they have like another apartment we could look at. There are, but we can't look at it today. Hopefully I get a chance to see the other apartments that are in here. And then we can decide. Yeah. Yeah. Again and again and again and again. I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A because I'm hungry.
It's my favorite spot so far.
This one, this place is nice. So far, I'm loving it. Yeah, this
It doesn't have a walk-in closet, but it has decent closet space.
Yeah.
Honestly,
This one?
This one is.
This one I like. Full-size appliances.
I kind of feel like they could have made this one.
I like it.
17 minutes.
Well, there's no traffic.
There's no traffic, guys.
I definitely like this space. I like how spacious it is. It's pretty spacious. It's a little similar to my current space right now, but slightly bigger. This one can definitely fit an island. Right here, so. Right here, so. It already also has under cabinet lights, which I like, you know. See, it's right there looking cute. Much bigger than what I have right now. The freezer is down here. Then the couch will fit on the side. TV on the wall. My place right now, I can't put the TV on the wall. So I had to buy a stand. But this one can definitely take the TV on the wall. The den though, I don't feel like the den. I feel like the den is small. Because if I put a desk, and I also want it to be like my beauty space. I don't know, I feel like I can figure it out. Then I also like that it has 2 closets in the bedroom. There's this one, and then there's one here as well. I like the bathroom. I like that it has this, because you know I had to install shelves in the other one for my skincare. It already has this little cabinet, so that's good. And there's this too for more skincare, because I have a lot of skincare. So yeah, skincare, maybe towels. Oh, more shelves down here. Fingers crossed that we get this one. I think we're done. I don't know if we're checking out another place. We're gonna look at the amenities gym.
10.
She a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more beaches, I might just search you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more beaches, I might just burn you.
Hey, girly. Come on. Keep them. Keep them.
You know me one time that all I am is shorty go that.
Easy takes me on Snapchat. Sexy snaps me out, beating like a rock shot. Cussing on my quality bed. Quality rest is rest that short for you. Me ready shoot my shots and you. Moving for your private story. Let me see you in your full glory. Anything I want, she'll show me. She did finish work, she did go in. No man can ever clone me. I'm the realest, she knows me. Feel all that you told me. I'ma finish work, baby, go in. Yeah. You been on my mind lately. We won't forget, boom, boom, now. Yeah. You been on my mind lately.
Derek, I love it. It's too cute. How late are you? Out of 10. 9. But we need to get to a 10. 9.5. Okay. 11.
Why from there?
How late are you?
I'm 11.5.
That's where I need to be. So I'm trying to get there.
Wait for the shot. Wait for the shot.
We need to go
Where's the shot?
downstairs. Let's go. Come on, baby. We're out of the boat. Time to go home. That was so freaking lit. I've stolen Daniela's blanket. I am too fucking cold.
Why can't 6 people? No, Claire. Why can't 6 people? Let me tell my story. Claire. No, if you got Claire. Yeah, look at Claire. You guys, man, he's gone.
These are extra sangria. Look at this one. Alright, we're gonna grab a seat, okay? Can't see anything, eh?
Thank you.
Don't kiss us, Christine. Mike, in our next life, you coming back as a pair of my shoes. And I ain't gonna wear no socks, and I'm gonna step in all kind of shit.
Hi. Can I put you here? Yo, Zindoli, I'm golden. I've taken all my pictures finished. I don't even want pictures again. Are you vlogging? I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. Alright. I haven't eaten either. I have reserved my stomach for this food that we are going to eat. I'm really hungry. Let me know. Let's fly out to Paris.
So maybe yesterday's one was not sacrificed. So yeah, I saw it.
Yeah. Nisha, you don't give me 360. We're coming to eat. The gang, the way we are hungry. It's not even a joke.
Tell them how you brought your sauce.
I brought my Maggi sauce. If it is flavorless, they shouldn't let us come and be sitting there and be waiting. Oh yeah.
Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on it.
I brought my
Twist
own
my
like
fingers up on a bang on it. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody knows.
chef back of it. We are full.
I'm not full yet.
So bad.
I think I'm pacing myself. Tell them that this is your second bowl of
This is my second bowl of rice.
Exactly.
But even the second bowl, look at my bread.
I'll have the next one. Hey, right now they buy food. Who ordered it? Raise your hand. Come and collect your order.
We are satisfied.
It's gonna be
But there's so much food left. Jasmine, you wanted the fish.
you like the fish. Eat the fish.
She's not running away. You will eat all of it.
The rooms are there's chicken.
We have to shut the food out.
I'm taking one for the tea. There's chicken.
Salma eats the sushi.
You mind your business.
Someone has ordered sushi. You will see. She hasn't even touched it. You might let me bring it closer so that I will remember. I wanted to try it. And now she doesn't want to eat it.
Salad, right?
I'm so full. I don't think I can eat again now. I think that's how they do it. Because they have to keep clear. I'm not eating it. I'm full. Give me shot. So you decide. We're not eating, guys. We're so full. We're not too full to not get chat time. I decided I wasn't going to drink chat time again. Oh, Michelle. They have chat time in Ghana now. Really? Yeah. I think it's in here, eh? It's inside. Let's go this way. I think it's inside. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. Hi. Can I get the brown sugar pearl tea? Milk tea, actually. Yes. Large with 50% sugar, less ice, and extra pearls. Yes. Anything else for today? No, that's it. Give me 2 of that. Thank you. You're
third.
I choose to use my hand, you are step.
The funny thing is, because I got
the left side of my chest in the right place, but now I go use my head.
Can I talk now?
Let's clean the makeup first. To take off my makeup, I use this Naturum Purple Ginseng Cleansing Balm. I've been using it. I'm going to use it till it's done, but there's nothing really special about it. It gets the job done. I like the way it melts though. It reminds me of the Clinique's Cleansing Balm. It has the same feel to it. And it comes off so easily. I'm gonna go wash my face next.
Ja zauważyłem, że mi szkoda szaleje po prostu nie o nim mówił.
Ja mam malinowego.